sitting right there.
Yeah, sure.
What's up, everyone?
Yeah, sure. Come on. Are you telling me that I need to drive the 18-wheeler?
Just this one here. Just back it up to here.
You want me to drive an 18-wheeler?
Yeah.
Alright,
Just
I can.
Dude, did you?
I've never done it, but hey,
If somebody can
go
do
big
it.
or go home. Let's do it. Who's got the keys? Now that's interesting. Oh wow! Alright, so how do we start this? How about we don't kill anybody? It's like a fucking airplane. So those are applied parking. Okay, there's no more e-brake. Reverse is this way. Okay, then let's turn it on. How do you turn this on?
It's voice activated.
It is? Oh, you're here. I did it! That's just the start. This is just the start. Well, I'm gonna go forward just to test it. So now we need to park it. You're welcome.
Something this guy can't drive.
This is cool.
How's it going?
What's up, everyone? We're here at the original Imperiality. As you see, what we're doing over here is checking on some cars, making sure everything is within check, everything is good, everything is going through the process properly. This one needs a fuel pump, that one needs some suspension, that one, what does this one need?
Misfire cylinder 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Alright, spark plugs or coils.
All the remains here.
Headliner for the G-Wagon. That's the new BMW X5N.
Competition.
So sick. Looks really good. Congratulations.
Nice banner for your wood.
You want to race?
Exactly, man.
You want to race, bro?
Yep.
We can race. How many horses do these come in?
600 something.
625.
625.
The competition, yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Sick. That is sick.
Yeah. So today we're polishing a few defects from factory and then streaming both the car tonight.
So he's like me. He had to peel off his own to unpack it, his own packaging. Like for example, all this right here, he wants to peel it off himself, which is when you have a gift to yourself, you want to unwrap your own gift. So. Are you having an orgasm by me touching the car? Can I sit in it? Really? Hey, I should charge you for my ass touching the seat.
Set it up, man.
This is really nice. Let's turn it on. This is cool. Smells good. Was that your hand? Oh really? So you press too? Yeah, we should do like catless and then tune it. You can get it up to 800 plus. I like it. I don't know how much I'm getting paid here.
Oh my god. What do you prefer, a Lambo or this one?
I actually like this one a lot. Something different. Yeah, more ground effects than a Lambo. Pretty cool. So Khaled is building a house. Well, he's building several houses for himself. He had to buy so much material right before the cost racked up, and so he did it. He did a really good job by saving him a lot of money by purchasing when the price was down. Now the prices are back up, and there's a long wait time and all that. So happy for him. He's a very, very smart guy. Well, my house will be next, so he's gonna help me build it. I can't wait. I'm excited about that. So I looked at another house that I really truly liked, and I might be purchasing it too. We'll see how that goes. So I have a 2018 F-150 that I'm trying to go ahead and sell, and trying to use the tax on that F-150 and use it on my new Urus that's coming, so that way we can like reverse the taxes to the new purchase. We'll see how that goes. But I'm trying to get a better offer. I think I owe about $53,000 on it. They want to give me 43. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? Let me call him right now and see what he's gonna give me for it again. He can give me a better deal. If I lose $5 grand, I'll let it go. But I don't want to lose more than $5 grand. Holy shit! Did I do that? No, I did not. I didn't. There's no fucking way. There's rust on there. I didn't do that. Somebody did that to my fucking mailbox. Son of a bitch. I did not do that. See the heights of it? There's no way. You guys didn't see anything, right? I didn't do it. Somebody else did it. Come on, Raja. Look at the rear right wheel. See how it's lifted?
Which one?
Dude,
oh, for the 80-wheeler? No, this is because the... No, it's fine, dude. You worry too much. I do. You worry too much. Oh, it's fine. It's great. This is dope. This is like brand new. Look at this. Yeah, hell yeah.
You causing more worries.
Oh, this looks great. It's a good 50-50 chance.
No, because
I like
the weight of this is heavier than this side. Look right here.
Yeah, but it's because it's tilted. Yeah. And it's...
I can put my phone.
It's dope. It's fine. So when because it's tilted, right? The difference is not that much, dude.
Yeah, because the payment on this one is almost $1,200 a month. So plus insurance, plus everything adds up. Gotta get rid of it. Alrighty.
And you are not using it.
I mean, I have my other Ford. I have my other Raptor. I don't even use it at all. Do I? Thank God, we're busy. Busy is always good. Thanks to the team. Yes, sir. What kind of raise?
More dinero.
Oh, I got you, fam. Say no more. Everybody.
Make it rain, make it rain. Yay, going to the strip club.